Good morning, Emma. It is time to wake up. First, we make the bed.
Yes, I make the bed. Now I go to the bathroom.
Brush your teeth. Oh!
I wash my face. Cold water.
Time to get dressed. Put on your shirt.
Okay. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I open the wardrobe. What should I wear? Oh, Larry is in my sock. Ta-da! My new outfit.
You look amazing, Emma.
I feel so cool.
You are cool. Let's go. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast time. Thank you for helping, Emma.
I washed the fruit.
So hungry.
Be careful. Carry the plate slowly.
Pour the juice. Good job. This is a spoon. Can you say spoon?
Fork on the left. Knife on the right.
We are sitting at the table.
Hey, wait!
No, Larry, do not grab. Use your manners.
Dad, please pass the pancakes.
Here you go. Good manners, Emma.
Thank you, Daddy.
Please? Good boy, Larry.
This is delicious.
Lim. Oh no, look at this big mess.
Emma, Larry, please tidy up.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, Mom. We will clean it.
Let's learn phrasal verbs. Ready?
Pick up.
Say it with me.
Pick up.
Pick up.
Put away. Put the toys in the box.
I hang up the jacket. Hang up.
Cleaning, plank cleaning. Work together, teamwork.
Wow, the room is clean.
Great job, high five. We are at the park. It is beautiful.
Look up. I see the blue sky. I see clouds.
This is a tree, a big green tree. Bug? Hello, bug? Welcome, citizens. Welcome to the park. This is the map. Please follow the path.
The flower smells good.
Action verbs. This is walking. I walk.
And this is running. I run fast.
Ah! Now we rest. Sit down on the bench.
Goodbye, Mayor.
Have a safe trip home. The sun goes down. It is evening.
Eat your dinner. Warm soup.
I wear my pajamas. I am tired.
Brush, brush, mlim, sleep.
Time for a story. I choose this book.
Once upon a time, the little bear went to sleep. We read a book. Can you say read?
I am very sleepy.
Turn off the light. Good night.
She is asleep. Good night, Emma. Shh, sweet dreams. See you next time.